Here's something most men never realize. When a woman sees you, she sees everything. Not just your face, not just your body. She notices the fit of your shirt, the way your pants break over your shoes, how your watch sits on your wrist, and even the way you smell when you lean in to say hello. As a man over 40, you've got a head start. You've got maturity, confidence, and presence that younger guys can't fake. But if you want to dress in a way that actually turns heads, in a way that women truly love, then you need to know the pieces that make you look like a gentleman. Not a try-hard. Not a guy chasing trends, but a man who knows exactly who he is. Let's break down the 10 things men wear that women absolutely love on a well-dressed gentleman. And we're starting strong with the first 5 because these are game changers. Chapter 1. A well-fitted blazer. If there's one thing that instantly changes the way a woman sees you, it's a perfectly fitted blazer. I'm telling you, I've seen it happen. You throw on a blazer and suddenly, you're not just another guy in a shirt. You look sharp, intentional, put together. A well-fitted blazer broadens your shoulders, it slims your waist, and it frames your body in a way that screams maturity and control. Now here's what most men get wrong. They wear blazers that are either too big, too boxy, or too outdated. Your blazer should hug your shoulders, not hang off them. The sleeves should end right at the wrist bone, and the waist should taper slightly in, just enough to define your torso without being tight. And forget about wild patterns. Stick to classics: navy, charcoal, a camel, even a subtle check or herringbone if you want some texture. Pair it with a white shirt and dark denim, or wear it over a fine merino sweater with tailored trousers. The result? You'll walk into a room and women will glance twice. Not because you're flashy, but because you look like you lead. Like a man who's been through enough life to know exactly how he wants to show up. Chapter 2. Crisp white shirt. Simple, understated, timeless. A crisp white shirt is one of those rare pieces that works for every man, in every situation. But on a gentleman over 40, it's next level. Here's why women love it. It signals cleanliness, discipline, and effort. It's the visual equivalent of a firm handshake and direct eye contact. But there's a difference between a white shirt and a great white shirt. You want it to be fitted, not tight. Slim through the arms, a bit of taper at the waist, no billowing at the sides, and definitely no stains or wrinkles. Ever. Wear it tucked into dark trousers with a leather belt for a clean, classic look. Or wear it open collar under a blazer for something more relaxed, but still refined. It's one of those pieces that says, I'm a grown man, I take care of myself, I show up well. And women feel that energy. You don't need crazy prints. You don't need loud colors. A well-cut white shirt does more for your appearance than most men realize. It's sharp, it's clean, and it never goes unnoticed. Chapter 3. Dark denim. That actually fits. Yes, jeans, but not the ones you've been wearing since 2007. Dark denim, the right kind, is one of the most powerful style upgrades a man over 40 can make. Why? Because it's versatile, it's masculine, and it looks 10 times better when it fits you properly. Most men go wrong with denim in 2 ways: too loose or too tight. What you want is a straight or slim straight fit, not skinny, not baggy, just something that follows the shape of your leg without hugging it. The wash should be dark. Think indigo or rinse wash. No distressing, no rips, no fake whiskering or bleach fades. And the length matters. They should hit just at the top of your shoe, maybe with a small break or a clean cuff if you prefer that look. When a woman sees a man in well-fitted dark denim, it gives off a confident, masculine vibe. It says effortless style. It says mature but modern. And yes, the exact pairs I recommend are linked in the description below. These are denim options that balance comfort, structure, and style without screaming for attention. Pair them with leather boots, loafers, even clean white sneakers. Throw on a blazer or a Henley and you've got a look that works at dinner, at drinks, or on a spontaneous weekend away. Don't overthink it, just upgrade the fit, and watch how much sharper and more attractive you instantly look. Chapter 4. Leather loafers or Chelsea boots. Let's talk shoes. Because no matter how good your outfit is, bad shoes will kill the look. Women notice shoes, always, and there's a big difference between looking dressed and looking finished. The right pair of shoes finishes your look. So here's what you want. Either a clean pair of leather loafers or a sharp pair of Chelsea boots. Let's start with loafers. They're minimal. elegant, and perfect for smart casual. Slip them on with jeans and a tucked-in shirt or tailored trousers and a polo. Go for dark brown, oxblood, or deep burgundy. Stick with leather or suede. No wild buckles, no chunky soles. Now, Chelsea boots. These are sleek, ankle-high boots with a slim silhouette and no laces. They're masculine, urban, confident. Black leather works great with gray or black jeans and top coats. Brown suede pairs well with denim and casual jackets. Chelsea boots give you height. They slim your profile. And they tell the world you know how to dress without trying too hard. Trust me, a well-made shoe adds instant polish to your entire look. The ones I recommend are timeless, durable, and linked down below for you. Put them on, and women will notice. Immediately. Chapter 5. A watch that isn't trying too hard. Now let's talk about the detail most men overlook. Your watch. And before you ask, no, it doesn't have to be expensive. But it does need to be intentional. A good watch on a man over 40 says a lot. It says you respect time. It says you value precision. And it tells a woman that you pay attention to the little things. Avoid overly bulky watches. Avoid loud colors and gimmicks. What you want is a clean dial, simple design, leather or metal strap, and a case that sits neatly on your wrist, not something that looks like it belongs on a diving mission. A white or black face with silver, gold, or gunmetal accents is perfect. Stick to brands that focus on classic style, not hype. When you wear a watch like this, women see it. They notice the detail, they notice that you're not chasing trends. And that speaks volumes. It's not about flexing. It's about showing consistency, elegance, and refinement. That's what being a gentleman is about. Chapter 6. A subtle signature scent. Let me be honest with you. You can be the best dressed man in the room, but if you smell bad, game over. On the other hand, a good scent? That's unforgettable. I've had women lean in mid-conversation and say, "You always smell so good." And I can tell you this, they remember that longer than your outfit. Scent hits memory, emotion, desire. But here's the key. You want it subtle, mature, and masculine. If your cologne smells like you just walked through a department store fragrance aisle, it's too much. If it smells like a 19-year-old's gym locker, also too much. You need a signature scent. Something that becomes part of you. Not a scent that wears you. Go for woody, spicy, or leather-based notes. Think cedarwood, sandalwood, vetiver, amber, tobacco leaf, tonka bean. It should open warm and deep, maybe with a hint of citrus at the top, but always grounded. This is grown man fragrance, not teenage body spray. Here's how to apply it. 2 sprays. One at the base of your neck, one on the wrist, then gently dab both wrists together. That's it. You want it to be noticeable only when she's close. It should draw her in, not announce your arrival from across the room. A signature scent makes you memorable, mysterious, and magnetic. It's one of those invisible details that instantly separates you from the crowd. Especially when you're over 40, this is a signal that you're not just dressing well. You're living well. Chapter 7. A soft cashmere or merino sweater. Now let's talk texture. Because style isn't just about what people see, it's about what they feel, literally. That's why women love a man in a soft, high-quality sweater. A fine merino wool or cashmere sweater tells her one thing loud and clear. This man understands refinement. It feels good to the touch. It drapes naturally on your frame. And it brings a warmth to your appearance that rougher fabrics just don't. When she leans in close, when she brushes her hand across your arm, that softness is something she remembers. Now here's how to wear it. A crew neck is timeless. Perfect over a button-down, perfect on its own. A V-neck shows more collar, looks great layered with a white shirt, especially if you're going for that gentleman casual vibe. Colors matter here. Stick with neutrals, navy, camel, charcoal, olive, even a deep burgundy if you want a little warmth in the colder seasons. The fit should be close to the body, no baggy sleeves, no stretched out collars. You want that clean, modern silhouette with soft edges. Throw it under a blazer, layer it over a white tee, pair it with jeans or tailored trousers. A soft sweater adds dimension. It softens your energy, but still keeps it masculine. It shows that you're not just stylish, you're intentional. You pay attention to the way clothes feel, not just how they look. And that's something women notice. Chapter 8. Tailored trousers that make you look taller. All right, now we're getting into the piece that silently upgrades your entire silhouette. Tailored trousers. If you're a man over 40 and you're still wearing shapeless pants that puddle over your shoes, you're selling yourself short, literally. Because the right pair of trousers doesn't just make you look more put together. They actually make you look taller, leaner, and sharper. Women love a man in tailored pants. It shows that you care about how your clothes frame your body, that you've moved beyond comfort-only mode and into presence. Now let's talk fit. First, you want a mid-rise waist. It should sit just above your hips, not sagging below your belt. This lengthens your legs and smooths your midsection. Second, you want a slim, tapered leg. Not skinny, not wide, just enough shape to follow your body without clinging to it. Third, hem them properly. Your trousers should stop right at the ankle bone with a small break, or no break at all. That little detail alone adds 2 inches of visual height. Now, fabrics. Go for lightweight wool, wool blends, or structured cotton. Soft enough to move. Structured enough to hold their shape. Pair tailored trousers with a white dress shirt and loafers, or a merino sweater and Chelsea boots. It's the kind of look that turns heads quietly. And yes, I've linked the ones I wear personally in the description below. I spent years finding the right cut, the right rise, the right taper, and so you don't have to. A good pair of trousers says, this man knows how to dress for his body and his age. And that right there, that's attractive. Chapter 9. A real leather belt. Let's finish this section with a small but crucial detail. The belt. This is where a lot of men get lazy. Old cracked leather, oversized buckles, or even worse. Skipping the belt entirely and letting your shirt untuck and your trousers droop. Not a good look. A real leather belt brings structure to your outfit. It ties your top and bottom together, and it gives your look a framed, intentional finish. It should match your shoes always. Brown with brown, black with black. No contrast stitching, no logos, no novelty buckles. The buckle should be clean, small, polished metal, though either silver or matte brass, depending on the tones you wear. And the belt itself should be just wide enough to fit your belt loops cleanly. Too wide? Looks bulky. Too narrow? Looks flimsy. Wear it with jeans and a tucked-in shirt, or tailored trousers and a blazer. Either way, it gives you shape. It creates a visual midpoint that makes your whole outfit look balanced and sharp. Women notice these small things. The fact that your belt is real leather, that it's not fraying, that it actually matches your shoes, that you took the time to polish it. It's a subtle signal. And when it comes to attraction, subtle wins. You don't need your clothes to shout. They just need to speak clearly. A proper belt finishes your look, and that's the difference between looking dressed and looking like a gentleman. Chapter 10. Aviator or Wayfarer sunglasses. Let's talk about the one accessory that instantly adds mystery, confidence, and masculinity. Sunglasses. Now, most guys wear them purely for function. Sun's out. You grab whatever's in the car. But here's the truth. Sunglasses are one of the most visually powerful accessories a man can wear. And when you're over 40, the right pair of sunglasses doesn't just protect your eyes. It protects your image. But the key here is choosing the right shape. And for men who want to look like gentlemen, there are really only 2 styles you need: aviators and wayfarers. Let's start with aviators. These were originally designed for fighter pilots, and you can still feel that edge when you wear them. They give off this confident, masculine vibe. A little bold, a little dangerous, but never over the top. Metal frame, slight teardrop lens shape, dark lenses. They're perfect if you have a strong jawline or more angular features, but honestly, they work on almost everyone when sized properly. Then there's the classic Wayfarer. This is the timeless frame. It's structured, it's simple, and it works whether you're wearing a t-shirt and jeans or a full suit. Wayfarers have a thicker frame and a flatter brow line, which helps balance out rounder or oval faces. They're a bit more casual than aviators, but still look incredibly put together. Now here's where most men mess it up. They go for trendy or sporty frames, wraparound sunglasses, funky colors, reflective rainbow lenses. Unless you're mid-marathon or on a bike trail, these styles kill the gentleman look instantly. Keep it classic, keep it subtle. Think polished metal, dark tortoise, or matte black frames. Sunglasses are more than a functional item. They're a finishing piece. They say, I take care of myself. They give you presents. And let's be honest, they make you look cooler without trying. That's the kind of quiet confidence women notice, and that's exactly what you want to signal. And if you're ready to upgrade your style and actually start wearing what women love to see on a gentleman, I've linked everything for you right below. From the perfect blazer to the right denim to the scent that makes you unforgettable, it's all in the description. Now I'll be honest, some of these pieces are a bit more of an investment. But at this stage in life, and when you wear the right things, you don't just look better. You feel better. You lead better. You live better. So check the links, find what fits your lifestyle, and start showing up like